Welcome to Eclectic and Vivid, your gateway to limitless exploration. Get ready to embark on a journey of curiosity, creativity, and inspiration. At Eclectic and Vivid, in this fast-paced world of financial markets, making informed investment decisions is crucial. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with valuable insights and expert analysis that can help you navigate the complexities of the stock market. Our team consists of experienced financial analysts who possess a deep understanding of the market trends, company fundamentals, and economic indicators. Their expertise allows them to identify potential investment opportunities and provide reliable recommendations. Research-driven approach. We pride ourselves on conducting thorough research before making any recommendations. Our diligent analysis includes studying financial statements, market trends, and industry dynamics, ensuring that our advice is based on solid data. Educational content. Our channel is not just about stock picks. We also provide educational content to empower you with the knowledge and tools necessary to make sound investment choices on your own. Challenge your intellect with mind-bending puzzles, explore fascinating psychological phenomena, and expand your knowledge with captivating explorations of the human mind. Unleash your inner artist with tutorials, showcases, and explorations of various art forms. Let your creativity flourish and discover new ways to express yourself. Let the power of music uplift your soul. Dive into performances, analyses, and stories about the melodies that shape our lives. Discover the harmonious notes that resonate with your heart. Stay at the forefront of tech innovation with insights into the latest trends, reviews, and explorations of groundbreaking inventions. Embrace the future and unlock the possibilities of tomorrow. Subscribe to Eclectic and Vivid on YouTube today and open the door to a world where every click leads to a new adventure. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. At no cost, we provide assistance to those who are unable to create videos or monetize their channels. Send us a message, and one of our team members will promptly reach out to offer support and connection.